All right, Obadiah Doyle is going to eat a spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich with pepper jack cheese, and he's going to put buffalo sauce as well as Texas Pete on it. We'll see what happens. Maybe he'll breathe fire.
I can smell it. That doesn't smell bad.
You already put Texas Pete?
Yep.
Let me see this. Okay, everything's on.
Did you get milk?
No, I got root beer.
Okay.
That's not gonna help.
And I'm feeling fairly confident about this one.
You ready? Set? Do it.
Oh, it's a dripping.
Trying to get into his nostrils with how much you zoom in.
This isn't bad. I'm gonna eat that.
Huh?
I'm eating the whole thing.
It's not bad.
Secretly inside, he's suffering.
Your face is red.
The Lord likes honesty. How do you really feel?
Honestly, I feel alright.
You feel all right.
Perfectly fine.
So you went from good to all right.
The face is a little bit hot.
Remember, kids, it's not good to lie.
I feel like some sweat building up.
Stop the talking, start the eating.
I'm impressed, but they didn't have Tabasco sauce. That's all I'm saying. Oh, you know what I forgot? Jalapenos.
Jalapenos?
My stomach is a little bit hurting a little bit now, but I'm still gonna finish it.
I'm just ready for him to breathe fire.
Last bite.
It is 8:04, by the way.
His hands are clean.
We'll get back.
He's a pig. I like it so. So the way, yeah, he's
I just imagine.
Obi, you're in a lot of pain.
He secretly ordered another chicken sandwich.